In this video, we are going to learn how to find value of the given polynomial. For x equals to 0, find the value of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 5. So here the given polynomial is x square minus 5x plus 5, and we have to find out the value of this polynomial when x is 0. So we will consider this polynomial as p of x. Okay, p stands for over here polynomial. So it is a polynomial containing variable x. So we will name this polynomial as p of x equals to x square minus 5x plus 5. Now put x as a 0 in the given polynomial. Therefore, p of x will become p of 0 equals to x square, right? At the place of x we will write 0, so it will be 0 square minus 5x, that is 5 into 0 plus 5. Therefore p of 0 equals to 0 square. 0 square means 0 into 0, that is 0, minus 5 into 0 will be 0 plus 5. Therefore p of 0 equals to 0 minus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 5 is 5. Therefore, the value of the given polynomial is 5 when x is 0. If p of y equals to y square minus 3 root 2y plus 1, then find p of 3 root 2. So here the given polynomial is y square minus 3 root 2y plus 1, and we have to find out value of this polynomial when y is 3 root 2. So we will put y as 3 root 2 in the given polynomial. Therefore, p of 3 root 2 equals to y square, right? And y is 3 root 2, so 3 root 2 the whole square minus 3 root 2 y. At the place of y we will write 3 root 2, so it would be 3 root 2 into 3 root 2 plus 1. So therefore p of 3 root 2 equals to square of 3 root 2. So square of 3 is 9 and square of root 2 is 2. So 9 into 2 minus 3 into 3 is 9 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. So we will get 9 into 2 plus 1. Therefore p of 3 root 2 equals to 9 into 2 is 18 minus again 9 into 2 is 18 plus 1. Therefore p of 3 root 2 equals to 18 minus 18 is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1. Therefore the value of the given polynomial is 1 when y is 3 root 2. If p of m equals to m raised to 3 plus 2m square minus m plus 10, then p of a plus p of minus a equals to question mark. So here the given polynomial is m raised to 3 plus 2m square minus m plus 10, and here we have to find out value of p of a plus p of minus a. So here the given polynomial is m raised to 3 plus 2m square minus m plus 10. Now first we will find p of a, right? To get the value of p of a, we need to substitute m equals to a in the given polynomial. Now we are going to replace m with letter a. So we will get here p of a equals to a raised to 3, right? At the place of m we will write a raised to 3 plus 2a square minus a plus 10. That would be equation number 1. Now we will find p of minus a. So we are going to put m equals to minus a in the given polynomial. So we will get here p of minus a equals to minus a raised to 3 plus 2 minus a square minus a plus 10. So p of minus a equals to minus a raised to 3 will be minus a raised to 3, and minus a square means minus a into minus a, that is plus a square. So we will get here plus 2a square, minus into minus a is plus a, plus 10. That would be equation number 2. Now we will add 1 and 2 because we have to find out p of a plus p of minus a. So we will add p of a with p of minus a, right? Now we are going to open the bracket. So we will get a raised to 3. Okay, now we are going to arrange over here the term a raised to 3 and a raised to 3. They are like terms. So we will keep it together, right? These two terms are like, so we will keep it together. Then plus 2a square that we will write over here, minus a plus a we will write together, and plus 10 we will write together. Okay, so after arranging the terms, we will simplify this. We will get a raised to 3 minus a raised to 3 is 0, and 2a square plus 2a square is 4a square, minus a plus a is 0, and 10 plus 10 is 20. Therefore p of a plus p of minus a equals to 4a square plus 20. P of y equals to 2y raised to 3 minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7. Then find p of 2, means value of the polynomial when y is 2. So here we are going to put y equals to 2 in the given polynomial. So p of 2 equals to, at the place of y we will write 2. So you can see here that at the place of y I have written here 2. Now it is here y raised to 3. So at the place of y what we can write 2. So 2 raised to 3 minus 6y square, and you can see at the place of y we will write 2, so it would be 2 square minus 5y. Okay, at the place of y we will write 2y here, so 5 into 2 plus 7. After substituting the value of y in the given polynomial, we will simplify it further. So we will get p of 2 equals to 2 into 8, right? How 8 it is? 2 raised to 3 gives us 8, right? And 2 square is 4, and 5 into 2 is 10. Okay, so we will get now 2 into 8 is 16, and 6 into 4 is 24, minus 10 plus 7, and 16 minus 24 is minus 8, and minus 8 minus 10 is minus 18, and minus 18 plus 7 is minus 11. So p of 2 equals to minus 11.